Now guys, in this lecture, we will learn how to find out the name server using the NSlookup. So what is NSlookup? NSlookup is nothing but the name server lookup. It is a tool used to perform DNS lookup in Linux, and it is used to display the DNS details such as IP addresses of the particular computer and the mail server, which is also called as MX record for a domain or the NS server of a domain. So NSlookup can be operated in two modes. The first one is interactive and the other one is non-interactive. So the interactive mode allows us to query name server for information about various hosts and domains, or to print a list of hosts in a domain. But the non-interactive mode allows you to print just the name and the requested information for the host or the domain. So now let's see first using the interactive mode. So what you need to do here is, firstly you need to open your terminal window. So when you open your terminal window, as you can see here, I'm inside my terminal window, and what you need to do here is simply type here NSlookup. So when you type NSlookup here, and what you need to do here is simply hit enter. So when you hit enter, as you can see, we are inside the NSlookup tool. Okay, so guys, if you want to find out the IP address of any host, so what you need to do here is simply type the command or domain name, actually piper.com. So this is the domain name. Let's see, and hit enter. So when you hit enter, you will find the IP address of this particular domain name. Okay, so now guys, suppose that if you want to perform a reverse DNS lookup, simply enter the address of the host, IP address of the host. Okay, if you want to perform the DNS lookup. Okay, so how you can put here, how you can put the IP address here. So as you can see that we are having this particular IP address. If you want to put here, simply type the IP address here, 192. So this is the second way of getting the information regarding the domain, and hit enter. Cannot define. Okay, I think this is not present, that is why it is not. Okay guys, this is the IP address, this is the IP address. Okay, 102 136 and 180, and hit enter. So when you hit enter, as you can see that this is the IP address, and these are the DNS what we have searching for. What we are searching for, it is DNS lookup. So this is the information regarding the DNS lookup. Okay guys, so now if you want to see the MS record, so MS record is nothing but the mail servers responsible for accepting email messages on behalf of recipient. Okay, so what you need to do here is simply give some query like set type is equal to mx. Okay, so this is the way. Simply hit enter. After hitting enter, what you need to do here is simply give the command the domain name of the host and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will find these are the mail server that Google is using right now. Okay, so these are the MX servers or MX records that Google is using right now. Okay guys, if you want to display the NS records, so how you can do that? Simply you need to type set here, set type is equal to NS, and hit enter. And the next thing, you know very well, domain name, and hit enter. After hitting enter, you will find all the name servers of Google. So what is name server actually? So name server is nothing but it is the server which connect your domain name with the hosting. Okay, so this is the server which connect the domain name with the hosting. So this is what NS is. Okay, so this is all about the interactive mode. Suppose you want to use this particular tool using the non-interactive way. So what you can do here is, simply new tab. Okay, when you open a new tab, and here I'm going to show you how non-interactive mode looks like. So what you need to do here is simply type the tool name, which is NSlookup, and the host or domain name actually. Okay, now hit enter. So this is the way how you can use it. Okay, so if you want to see some more information like MX record, so you can use it like NSlookup hyphen query, this is for query, is equal to mx In case of interactive, we will be using set type. Okay, but in case of non-interactive, we should add query here. Okay, hit enter. You will see all the MX records or MX servers of Google. Okay, so now if you want to see the name server, so what you need to do here is simply change MX with NS, hit enter. Okay, as you can see, these are the name servers that Google is operating on. Okay, so this is how you can use if you want to see anything. Okay, anything. So what you can do here is simply in place of NS, give any and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will see you are having all the details regarding MX record, which you can see here, and the name server here with the query of any. So this is how you can use NSlookup to find out the information regarding NS server and the MX server, okay, and to find out the IP address of any particular host name. This is all for this lecture.